Guys, Brian back here with another Solana update. It looks like we could be getting a move out of Solana here. It's breaking out of this falling wedge. It's had a back test here. If we zoom in here on this 8 hour, zoom right in, you can see the breakout and the back test. Perfect back test. Right off the trend line, and looks like this thing could be taking off here. Had a high today at $21.47 and a low at $20.48. Now if we go through these RSIs and see where they are at, okay, this is the 8 hour. You can see it's still bullish at the top, but it's still bullish on the 8 hour. The 12 hour, it's also at the top, still bullish, 93.21 and 93.06. The daily chart, let's see where the RSI is at on it. It is up at a 95 and an 87. Still got a little bit more room on that daily. This weekly is the one. When you see the weekly like that, 27.17 and 25.08, that's when you should get excited. When that weekly resets, that's when we have our big moves. All right, last time the weekly was reset on Solana, it ended up doing, let's see here, 243% over this run right here as that weekly went up. So it did a 2.5x last time. All right, now you can see we've been consolidating. This is on the weekly. Been consolidating here between roughly 1980 and 2660. Been consolidating since the beginning of the year. All right, and we're still actually in that zone. Even though we had this wedge breakout so far, we're still in that zone. To get out of this, we'd have to go above 2673. All right, now let's just get an idea here. Let's take a measurement. With that weekly reset, a 30% move. We did 2.5x last time. A 30% move would get us to the top of the range. So even if you were trading this thing, not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but you're at least going to probably head to the top of this range, okay, up at 2646. If you're trading, then you're running into resistance up here. We've hit it three times now. This has been resistance. Up here was support. So you can see that this thing could have a pretty decent run up there. Like I said, even from right where it's at up to resistance, it's a 25% move. So, but what we want to obviously do is break that 27 bucks, call it $27. That's what we want to see. And if we take a measurement, that weekly, like I said, is heading up. If we take a measurement on this wedge, let's get an idea of what kind of measurement as far as that goes. Let's open this up a little bit. Let's take the size of the wedge here. Let's see what kind of price targets that gives it. It takes it up 24.70 or so. Just with the breakout of the wedge, you usually at least get that. Okay, now if this ends up being 5 waves up in here, this could be a 1, 2. This could be a 5 wave up. It looks like a 1 wave there, possibly working on a 3. Now let's see where that could possibly, no guarantees here, obviously. Just trying to get some ideas what's going on here. If that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that don't look right to me. Up to 30 bucks. It could. I'm not saying it won't, but that just doesn't look right. Doesn't look like a 1 wave then to me. So, but anyway, you can see we got the back test of this thing, that weekly RSI reset. I'd like to see some more volume coming in down here to back this breakout up. But right now, this thing, watch for, got to break that 2150 to head up to the next area here up at, we got 23.30. So keep an eye on that $21.50. That would get us through this first area here. That's where we're running into the first resistance area right now. I'll put a line here. You can see that right there. And our next resistance, major resistance, would be coming up at 23.20. Okay, then we would have a little bit resistance up at 24 bucks after that. So I'll keep an eye on this, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Before I forget to ask that, I would appreciate that so very much. and I'll get back to you in a day or two. We'll see what happens here and try to see what kind of patterns we're forming out of here. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a good night.